And you can talk too.
Ron is a sleepyhead. He stinks sometimes because he doesn't take a shower. And he sleeps when we're at a place, and I always hit my head. Every time. How long does this even take?
As long as you want to talk.
Yeah. Okay, I'm done.
Why don't you keep talking and I'll send it by email to Ben. Look, you gotta talk to Ben. Talk to Ben.
Hi, Ben. Haven't seen you for a while. I know you have a life. And I know that your house is fresh. And Jen has played with some super computer. And I want to take it. And tomorrow, as you know, whenever you come by, I'll say hi. See ya.